confession to make. I haven't set up my bullet journal for November. Sometimes life and winter colds and flu just get in the way. But I need to do my monthly planning to get organised again and need some spreads for November, so I thought I'd do a short video to show you what I do in my bullet journal during busier times when I want to make things a bit easier for myself. Looking at my annual trackers, there are a few blanks on my mood tracker because morning and evening reflection dropped a bit and picked up again in October. Similarly, exercise has dropped since August. Sitting down and doing this monthly planning process is a good way of prompting myself to think about why I haven't been following my normal routines, and to encourage myself to pick things up again that I want to do. Next, I filled out my book tracker. This month I read The Courage to Be Disliked, which I really enjoyed, and a book called Invested, which is about the importance of investing for financial freedom. It's always nice to glance through the 2021 reminders I wrote up at the beginning of the year, if I haven't looked at them in a while, and see which ones might resonate right now. I have the power to change anything in my life is jumping out at me, probably because I'm thinking about making some changes and need a bit of a push. Then I fill out my monthly moments spread with any highlights, accomplishments, or moments that I appreciated. For the months that I've missed, I think I'll look through my monthly spreads for those months to trigger some memories and add those in. But for now, I'm getting back on track by writing up some things I enjoyed throughout October. Scrapbooking I've really enjoyed after getting some supplies in a vintage subscription box, and the October Dark Academia theme. Playdates with new local friends, quality time with my niece, a TV show that I enjoyed. I've designed some candles for my shop that will be ready soon. And I've drafted a blog post for Bullet Journal because I've been asked to be an ambassador for the official Bullet Journal brand, which is exciting. I've also had time with friends and family that I've enjoyed, which I've added to this list. Now onto the November spreads. I really didn't feel like drawing or colouring this month and wanted to keep things really simple and relaxed, but I still wanted to see some autumn coziness on my pages, so I printed off some pictures from Pinterest of things that feel like November to me. I picked some orange and brown leaves to stick on my cover page. I just love the colours outside every November and wanted to see them in my journal without having to doodle or colour at all. Then I stuck a piece of scrapbooking paper on top. I'll link the supplies in the description box below. Then I wrote up November. I really appreciated keeping it simple and easy, but also having some imagery to reflect the month and season. Over on the other side, I stuck down another piece of scrapbook paper and a picture of a leaf in the sun. Since it's Diwali this week, the Festival of Light, I wanted to include some quotes about light. I really liked this quote. "There is a crack in everything. That's how the light gets in." It makes me think about embracing imperfection instead of feeling unsettled by it. The photo feels perfect for this quote because you can see the sun peeking through the gaps in the trees. Next, I have my monthly log, and I used my monthly log stencil to set up the days of the week for November so I can see my events and tasks in a calendar layout. When my head's a bit busy, I prefer a calendar view rather than the traditional list view. It kind of just spells everything out to me clearly, seeing the weeks separated and a box for each day. I stuck down a photo that feels nice and cosy and represents what I want to do in November. Sit in the warmth, drink hot drinks, read a book. I used some stamps to label the boxes at the top, Monday to Sunday. A quote that I chose to write up on this page is, "I will love the light, for it shows me the way, yet I will endure the darkness, for it shows me the stars." created a section at the bottom for my goals for the month to keep reminding me of what I want to focus on even when other pressing tasks creep in. I glanced at my future log to migrate any events for November into my monthly log. I want to put my candles in the shop once they're ready, do yoga every day, and set up my 2022 bullet journal so that I can share that with you nice and early and be ready for the new year. Next up, I have my monthly simple things list. My favourite list because it gets me in the mood for the month and makes me feel present and grateful for the simple things in life. And this particular stencil is just so simple to use, so I always use it for my simple things list. I wonder how many times I've used the word simple in this setup. The list for November is: enjoy the darker evenings with candles and warm chai. Grab a throw and watch a new TV series. I think I'll be treating myself to Netflix for this month. Take a serene walk in the woods. Repurpose something on Black Friday instead of buying something new. Create an autumn cocktail. I'm thinking something warm and spicy. I took off the picture that I originally stuck on because I wanted more browns and more oranges. I decided to add some craft paper on top of the Simple Things header, again because I wanted to see more brown on the page. I added a picture of the brown and orange leaves to the bottom of the page with a piece of scrapbooking paper. Since I'm keeping things simple this month, I'm going straight into the weekly log. Today is the 3rd of November and I started my week without my weekly log and I've really missed it. I wrote up November and the dates on some craft paper. When I'm doing quick and easy spreads, I try to avoid perfectly neat handwriting, so it kind of looks like it's supposed to be scruffy, which has the benefit of allowing you to write fast and scruffy. My weekly layout is super simple. I wrote up Monday to Sunday and the migrate symbol on the left. On the right is a big section for tasks. I wrote in yoga, which I want to do every day. Then a list of weekly household tasks that I've recently been trying to do every week on a Monday. It's Wednesday today and I know that I've done these weekly tasks already, but I wrote them in anyway because I enjoy ticking things off and I want to see that I'm sticking to my weekly commitment. I then wrote up some tasks that came to mind for today. I crossed out the tasks that were done on Monday. One of them, ordering groceries, didn't happen, and you can see that it migrated to Tuesday and is now on today's list. So there's my quick and easy setup for November. It's so easy at times like this to not set anything up at all, but I can say through my experience it was really worthwhile just spending half an hour putting something in to get ready for the month and to feel some cozy seasonal vibes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.